Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of when the app you will click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above, you will write the name of the application, Windy like this. Then you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors on your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem.